Here we go. Got a screw in here. Yes, there it is. It's not on there. And I'll find something to put all these in. Right, back again. One there. But they are very small, these screws. I think next time I do something like this, I'm going to put a piece of white paper down. And you'll be able to see a bit better. There's one here. See, I'm just going off what that chap's done on the internet. He's took his apart. I just hope that I'll get it fixed again. It's such a lot of money when you can probably pick one of these up off the internet now in working order for about 70 quid. No hassle. Right, so we've got that bit off there. There's a couple, well there's about 4 here. I'll take these 4 out. Look how little they are. Another one here. I'll take this one out. I'll try and do this quick so I don't forget where they all come from. I think this is the last one you have to take out here, I think. Get the battery off, eh? Battery off. 875 milliamps, I think that is. Now, it should come off. I'll probably end up having to keep turning it off while I sort out what's what. Well, that just come off. Nothing else holding it. Oh, yeah. Something's happening, look. Oh, I bet there's another one. I think there was another one in here somewhere. There's one there. That might be it, I don't know. Check that one out. Oops, one got it. Not any more anywhere, I can see. Oh, oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Ah, that happened on that video, that chap did. That fell out. I think that's just goes in there like that, which is something. Just dangles inside. Yeah. So, little screws there. Tiny little things. So that's that bit out of the way. Now we've got this bit. There's a little ribbon cable there. Ever so small. I have to just pause it a bit and just do a little sort out to see what I'm doing next. Right folks, back again. I've seen another little screw. Where have I seen it? There. It's on there. So I'm going to go to take that out, I don't know whether you can see that. You probably can't, it's a bit dark in my shed at the moment. There's one there anyway. I'll take that one out. Where is it? It's up the corner there. It's coming loose. Very compact. Very compact. Must be something up here somewhere. Right, I'm struggling again now to see what comes apart. I'm just going to take all the screws out what I think it could be. I think there's that one there. I think that's what it took out. I'll take that one out anyway. So another little dilly one. I won't drop them. So we make this screwdriver. Cost me 20 quid for this set, and you think it'd be magnetised, but it isn't. Any ideas, folks? That should come out now. Can't see any more screws. Oh, you can see where we're up to at the moment. We'll get it there. We'll get it there in the end. Right, folks. After a lot of fiddling about, I managed to get this piece off. It comes off in one. But it was very awkward. I saw I turned the camera off. It was tucked underneath there. It's tucked under. And you have to lever it very slowly. You can't help but mark it. You have to lever it up till it just pops out. But when you've not done it before, you don't know whether you're doing the right thing. But that's the piece that's come off so far. And that's where we're at. So like I say, that clipped under there. It just all sort of clicks in place, and you just have to gradually get your screwdriver and just keep levering it till it comes up very slowly, and then a little bit on this side. Levering around here. Lever around here a bit. Then it just popped, and then I just slid it out. That's probably the trickiest part I've just come across. But that's where we are at the moment. With that bit. That's got your focusing button on it. However, I don't want to knock it too much in case it falls off. Little buttons. That's another piece. And the left is the main body. For now, I think this front piece has got to come off. That's got to come out. I can't see any more screws holding it. Close that. I think this piece here now has got to come off. Let's have a little play. Can't see any more screws. Yeah, that's not a screw in there, is there? No, take that one out. Seems once all the screws are out, things just click into place, so you've got to try and get them out. So it clicks in and then screws as well, but you don't know where to leave it. And you don't like marking the plastic too much, but I don't know. Oh, well, that's going there. But it still feels like there's something fixing there. Just try a little tweak. Oh, what's that there? There's a screw there. Silly me. So we've got one there. God, I think I need new eyes. Oh, that one's out. I'll be careful now. So I've managed to get it off. You've got a little ribbon cable there. Oh, small and fiddly. Jeez. That's where we're up to at the moment. I can't put it down now because of that. And I don't know where that comes to go off. Don't clip it off the motherboard in there. Right, oh my, you are a complicated little thing. Take that off. That will cover that there then. I'm hoping so. I'll take this off. More here. So, do this to me. Something there. Oh, looks like a bug of this. Oh, there's always one in there. Right, update. Now that I managed to take off. Your little ribbon cable there. That went through that. That was on there and plugged into the motherboard. Which I'll try to take that off. So you've got a few screws holding that on. And then this goes on there, and there's a little thing on the bottom of the motherboard there. And you can see that. What am I doing? That's it, there, I'll touch it. There. Where am I? There, somewhere there. A little box thing. Clipped on there. Oh, got a screw on the end of there. There's not much very good light in here. It's clipped on there. So that's where I am at the moment, taking all that off. I'm not going to be able to put this back together again. Actually, it don't work anyway, it's just messing about. Obviously that went on there. And I had to drill that screw out because it was knackered. So there was one there, one at the top there, and there was one, that little hole down there, little gap there, one down there. Very well put together and very fiddly. Very fiddly. I think I found the problem without stripping it down any further. I've seen it out, there's a little bit, see that there, if you can see that, on folks. There's a bit of ribbon cable here, in there, and it's snapped off. I don't know if you can see that. There's a bit of ribbon there. Now that's what feeds the screen. So that's snapped off inside here somewhere, and that's why I can't get power. Alright folks, I've managed to get that down to that bit now. That's where we are. That comes out of there. Like that, and then you got your ribbon cable here. There, that's where it snapped off the screen. It comes out across here. So see what out again. See, that's the bit of ribbon cable there. The screen comes out across here, so it snaps off there, and then it fixes, comes through and onto your motherboard there. So it could be repaired, you could do this, but how much the hassle, it's not worth it. I mean, you've got that piece of ribbon there, that little cable there, that's going to cost you like 20 quid. Then it's got to be shipped from China, Taiwan or wherever it's coming from. Singapore, I think it actually said. And it's going to cost 30 quid to post it. So you're talking 50 quid for that little piece. Then you've got to get it out and put it in and put it all back together. It's such a shame. Well, you can see what we're up against there. Yeah, I could put it back together again. Really. But what's the point? So, then just put a screw back through there. That's all that's holding that one screw, holds it in through there. There's a lot in it. A lot of intricate parts. Well, there we go folks. It's back together again. See, the light comes on a little bit, but that's just because that ribbon snapped. But I'm saying now it's all back together. It went back together quite easy as well. Everything clicks into place and then the screws hold it, and it's gone back together really well. Just a pity it doesn't work. So it is a job that you could actually do, is replace that ribbon. You could do it, just take your time, do a little video and take photographs as you're doing it, so you know it all goes back together, and you could actually repair it if you wanted to. Everything's gone back to normal, everything works, all the buttons back where they should be. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed this little video of this little camera, Panasonic Sdr S50. Good little camera, until it breaks.